Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. Today is Monday, December 9th. I woke up feeling so sick this morning. I felt it coming on the past few days, and then last night my throat just got really sore. I'm not really sure what it is, if it's just a cold. I'm hoping it's not strep or anything bad. If it stays till tomorrow, I'll go to the doctor, but I don't have time at all today to go. So I just have to get through today. I have class all day today, so I think I'm gonna combine today's vlog with tomorrow's vlog. I just drove over to campus. I have class at 10 a.m. I actually have a presentation. I would have loved to stay home today, but I can't miss this class because I actually can't miss any of my classes today because I have a presentation in my first class, and then I have my last yoga class today, and then my 7 p.m. strategy class is my last actual class day, and then next week we just turn in our project. So I really need to go to that. It's also a super gloomy, rainy day out. I'm just not in the best mood today, to be honest, but that's kind of what Vlogmas is. You guys see me at my worst. So I'm gonna head to class. Wish me luck on this presentation, and I will talk to you guys after. I just got out of class and I think our presentation went well. Glad that's over with, but now I have a 3-hour break until my next class. It's 11:30 right now. My next class is at 2:30. I don't feel like sitting on campus, so I'm gonna go over to this little coffee shop that's in downtown Montclair, get some work done there. I have a video to edit, so I'll probably be doing that for pretty much this whole break. Back home. It's already almost 10 o'clock. It's been a very long day of classes, but I actually had a very productive day during my breaks between classes. I got a lot of homework done and also just planned out everything else that I have to get done throughout the week for my finals. So feeling good about that. Still not feeling well though. I've kind of just been running off of Dayquil. Hopefully I wake up tomorrow feeling better. Tonight I just have some Poshmark packages that I need to pack up. It's the last of this round of packages. I said in my last vlog that I ordered more of the mailers to ship them out in. I got a 200 pack of these pink ones, so that should definitely be enough. And then I also got these that are way bigger for when people get sweaters or jackets, or get a bundle of several items that won't fit in these smaller ones. Some of you guys were telling me that I can get these for free at the post office, which I wish I'd known that before I ordered these, but whatever. So I'm going to work on this and then probably head to bed after that since it's already pretty late. Good morning guys, it is Tuesday now. Today is going to be a busy running errands, getting things done type of day. I made a long to-do list in my notes app of everything I want to get done today. First, I am stopping at the post office. I have a ton of Poshmark packages to drop off and ship out. And then I actually have to go to the DMV, the worst place in the world, because I have to renew my car registration, and I waited too long to do it online, so now I have to do it in person, and the DMV is just the worst. I also got myself together today and put on some makeup because I'm gonna film a drive with me as I'm driving to all of my stuff that I have to get done. So we're multitasking today, but yeah, I just wanted to start off the day. I hope you guys are having a great week so far, whenever you're watching this. And also I'm feeling a little bit better today. Still kind of congested. I feel you can tell in my voice, but I actually am feeling quite a bit better than yesterday, so that is good. What's up guys, I'm back home. It's already 3 p.m. I was at the DMV for a little while and also just helped my dad with some stuff, and now I'm back home. I had to stop at the pet store for some stuff, but I got Kitty a leash and like a little harness for cats, and I thought it'd be funny just to see like what she does and if she'd let me walk her. We're gonna try to take Kitty for a little walk down the hallway, but I don't think she's gonna like it. Are you mad at me? Are you mad at me? Do you want to go for a walk? You want to go? You look so pretty, Kitty. Show the vlog. Kitty. Let's put her outside and then we'll see what she does. There you go, Kitty. Do you want to walk? She wants to go back inside. Hey. Okay. Why is she so scared? Here, you just a little bit. So you can see the hallway. Oh, don't scratch me.
I'm gonna call you.
Scratch me.
Just be careful.
Maybe we should get her treats.
Step it.
But she wants an actual treat.
I'll get to her. Come on, Kitty.
She wants a treat.
What's the treat?
Why is her foot like that?
Come on.
Oh, where's Mom? Look, she's so good with her leash. Hi, Kitty. You love being home so much. Kitty loves her Trader Joe's treats. So that didn't really work out well. She just wants to be home. She loves it here so much. Ow! I feel like I just cleaned my room like 2 vlogs ago, but it's messy again. So I'm going to just tidy things up a little bit, and I've also been doing laundry today, so I have some laundry to put away and fold and all of that kind of stuff. So just gonna do a little cleaning montage now.
Ryan Little.
What's up, guys? It's a little bit later now. I just got out of the shower. My face is super tan compared to my body because I used my like babe water spray to tan just my face. I am currently working on some homework. I mentioned in like a couple vlogs that I have this really big project due on Monday for my marketing strategy class. It's like my final project that I'm pretty stressed about. Basically, whenever I have like a really big project or a big final exam to study for, I kind of split it into parts or sections. So if it was like a final exam, I would probably do it by like chapter, like see how many chapters the exam is covering. Or like for this project, there's basically 22 sections that I need to work on. It's kind of hard to explain because it's like a weird project, but basically whatever project or exam I have, I split the work into sections, and then I just like divide it by how many days I have to work on it. I'm gonna try to work on it a little bit every day, so I'm basically gonna try to do like 4 sections each day. That's just like a little finals tip that I have. Don't wait till the last minute to study or do your projects. I am definitely not the best at that. Definitely a big procrastinator, but this project is like way too big to wait until the last day to do. So I'm gonna try to do it day by day so that when Monday comes, it's all done. Hi. Are you talking to me? Are you saying hi? It's already 7 o'clock. This day flew by. Okay guys, I am super tired, so I'm gonna head to bed now, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlogmas. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow with another new video. Bye!